Hey there, snack enthusiasts and calorie-conscious connoisseurs. Are you tired of feeling guilty every time you reach for a snack? Well, fear not, because today I've got a treat for you, literally. Get ready to indulge in the most delicious and nutritious snacks that won't have you counting calories or feeling an ounce of guilt. But before we dive into this mouth-watering adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. After all, who doesn't love a bit of guilt-free snacking? Let's munch our way to snack heaven together. First snack, popcorn. First up on our list of guilt-free snacks is everyone's favorite movie time munchie, popcorn. But we're not talking about the butter-drenched, calorie-laden popcorn you find at the theater. Oh no, we're talking about air pop popcorn, a crunchy and satisfying snack that's low in calories and high in fiber. Plus, with endless flavor possibilities, from classic salt and pepper to spicy sriracha or sweet cinnamon, you'll never get bored. It's like a party in your mouth, minus the calories. Did you know that a single cup of air pop popcorn contains only about 30 calories? That's right, you can munch away to your heart's content without worrying about derailing your diet. And with its high fiber content, popcorn will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours, making it the perfect snack for those mid-afternoon cravings. So go ahead, grab a bowl and let the snacking begin. Just don't forget to save some for me. And here's a fun fact for you. Popcorn is one of the oldest snack foods in the world, with evidence of its consumption dating back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and the Incas enjoyed popcorn as a tasty treat, and it even played a role in religious ceremonies and rituals. So the next time you munch on some popcorn, you're not just snacking, you're participating in a time-honored tradition. Second snack, Greek yogurt with berries. Next up, we have a snack that's as nutritious as it is delicious, Greek yogurt with berries. This creamy and tangy treat is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it the ultimate powerhouse snack for any time of day. Plus, with the addition of fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, you'll get a boost of vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. It's like a little taste of paradise in every spoonful. But did you know that Greek yogurt is also incredibly versatile? You can enjoy it on its own, or get creative and use it as a base for smoothies, parfaits, or even frozen yogurt popsicles. The possibilities are endless, and with its thick and creamy texture, Greek yogurt satisfies your sweet tooth without the added sugar and calories of traditional desserts. So grab your favorite veggies, dip them in some hummus, and get ready to snack like never before. Here's a fun fact. Greek yogurt has been a staple in Mediterranean cuisine for centuries, prized for its creamy texture and tangy flavor. It wasn't until the 1970s that Greek yogurt started gaining popularity in the United States, and since then, it has become a beloved snack and ingredient in kitchens around the world. So the next time you enjoy some Greek yogurt with berries, you're not just indulging in a tasty treat. You're partaking in a culinary tradition that spans centuries. Third snack, veggie sticks with hummus. Now let's talk about a snack that's as colorful as it is nutritious, veggie sticks with hummus. Whether you're a carrot-crunching crusader or a celery-savoring superhero, there's a veggie stick for everyone. And when paired with creamy and flavorful hummus, you've got a snack that's not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It's like a party on your plate, and everyone's invited. But did you know that hummus is made from chickpeas, which are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber? That's right. With every dip, you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Plus, with its rich and creamy texture, hummus satisfies your savory cravings without the need for unhealthy additives or preservatives. So grab your favorite veggies, dip them in some hummus, and get ready to snack like a champ. Fourth snack, nuts and seeds. Next up, we have a snack that's as crunchy as it is satisfying, nuts and seeds. Whether you're a cashew connoisseur, a pistachio aficionado, or a sunflower seed savant, there's a nut or seed for everyone. And with their perfect balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, nuts and seeds are the ultimate snack for keeping hunger at bay and energy levels up. It's like nature's own little power snack, packaged and ready to go. But did you know that nuts and seeds are also packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc? That's right, with every handful, you're nourishing your body from the inside out. And with their portable and convenient packaging, nuts and seeds are the perfect snack for on-the-go lifestyles. So whether you're hitting the trails or hitting the books, grab a handful of nuts and seeds and snack like a boss. Here's a fun fact. Nuts have been a dietary staple for humans for thousands of years, with evidence of their consumption dating back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. In fact, archaeologists have discovered caches of nuts preserved in ancient tombs and settlements, suggesting that they were highly valued for their nutritional and medicinal properties. So the next time you snack on some nuts and seeds, you're not just fueling your body, you're following in the footsteps of our ancestors. Fifth snack, dark chocolate. Last but certainly not least, we have a snack that's as indulgent as it is nutritious, dark chocolate. That's right, folks. Chocolate lovers rejoice, because dark chocolate is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. With its rich and decadent flavor, dark chocolate satisfies your sweet tooth without the added sugar and calories of milk chocolate. Plus, with its high antioxidant content, dark chocolate can help improve heart health, boost brain function, and even enhance mood. It's like a little slice of heaven in every bite. But did you know that not all chocolate is created equal? When choosing dark chocolate, look for bars with at least 70% cocoa content to maximize the health benefits. And with its rich and complex flavor profile, dark chocolate is the perfect complement to a variety of snacks, from fruit and nuts to cheese and wine. So go ahead, treat yourself to a square or two of dark chocolate and savor every moment. After all, life's too short not to indulge. Here's a fun fact. Dark chocolate has a long and storied history, with evidence of its consumption dating back to ancient Mesoamerican civilizations like the Mayans and Aztecs. In fact, chocolate was so highly prized by these cultures that it was often used as currency and even reserved for royalty and religious ceremonies. So the next time you enjoy some dark chocolate, you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, you're honoring a tradition that spans centuries. And there you have it, folks, the best and most nutritious snacks that won't have you worrying about calories. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. After all, who doesn't love guilt-free snacking? And if you have any favorite guilt-free snacks of your own, be sure to share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy snacking, and may your taste buds be forever satisfied.